how to create a new Waze account. First, open the Waze app. On the Waze welcome screen, you will see two options. Let's get started and log in. Tap on Let's Get Started to create a new account. You will enter a home screen. Tap on the three line on left corner. Tap on View Profile. Here you will see Register this account. Tap it. Again, tap Register this account. Choose a sign-up method. You can create your Waze account using Google or email. If you choose email, enter your email. You will get a verification code. Check your Gmail. Enter your verification code. Tap the link inside to confirm your account. Once verified, your account is ready to go. This makes your Waze experience more personal and fun. That's it. Your new Waze account is ready. Now you can save favorites, share your device, and get real-time traffic alert tailored just for you. That's it. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video. And thank you for watching.